friends, let's unbox this.
Okay. Hannah will look there and let's look at this. I got this because maybe I will sell some food. Kasi bawal dito ang meat. So, ang gagawin ko sa akin lumpia is vegetable with tofu. So, yun na lang. Tsaka yung bread na ibang flavor. Titignan ko lang kung matutuloy. Ang ganda ng coats. These are the coats that I'm going to put. Every day, papalitan ko siya ng coats. I'm going to put coats there. And, look at this. What's this? Ay, nakakatawa naman to. I am getting it. Uy, positivity. Oh my goodness. Be, ang gaganda niya, no? It's so positive, beautiful, friends. Well, not less than I shrink my health. Ang ganda. Alam mo, I saw it online. But, I didn't know that there's so many. Ano yan? Negative stuff. Ay, ang ganda niyan. It's beautiful. Okay. So, yan. Gusto ko sana honesty store, yung iiwan mo lang. Pero sabi sa akin, baka kasi kupitin. So, maganda kung may CCTV ka. In the end, parang ganun. Or parang camera. Nails. Nail designs. Rose. Ito, hindi ko alam na parang Christmas. Pero pwede naman siyang isuot kasi meron siyang rabbits and hearts. Parang Valentine's. Yun lang. Ay, ito pa. Thank you. Sana matuloy. Kasi be, I was planning to do that 3 years ago or 2 years ago. Kaso lang, 'di ba nag-part-time ako sa dito sa company. And then yun nga nag-pregnant na ako kay David. So pag baby kasama mo, bahay ka lang talaga. So feeling ko gusto ko tong gawin at sana makapas. Uy, ito. Ay, Hannah, unboxed it already. Hannah, what's this?
It's a money box.
Yeah, this is great. Be, o, tignan mo, pay here. Honesty nga eh. Honest. Hannah, can you please put it down first? Like that. Put it. Di ba ang cute? Oh. Lalagyan nila pay here. Pag they got bored of this, I'll just let them like order. Pero, for the meantime, ito. Lalagyan ko lang ng chili garlic. Tapos naisip ko, hindi palagi ang available ang chili. So, naisip ko meron ditong available na chili. Imimix ko siya dun sa garlic. Kasi, hindi masyadong masarap ang chili garlic dito. Kasi walang garlic. Ano lang siya? Chili lang siya, be. So, ako yung magagawa ng imimix ko siya. Kasi nga, kagabi my friend visited here. They said it's yummy. The recipe that I made. So, almost all of them. Nasasarapan sila ba sa niluluto ko. Kasi nga, di ba yung recipe natin, masarap. Ganyan. Yan. This is the box where I put the